Hi everyone, welcome to MarineMax Miami. My name is Gabe Agelan and I'm going to do a walkthrough on this brand new 2023 Sea Ray 400 SLX outboard. I want to start right here on the back of the boat. As you can see, this one is powered by the brand new V12 Mercury 600 Verados. Excellent power on these, pushes this boat very nicely, upwards of 50 miles an hour. The standard on this boat is typically the triple 300s. You've upgraded to twin 600s. That's 1200 horsepower. Enough to get this boat on plane very fast, get you going to where you need to be. Want to show you this beautiful long storage right here on the port side. Enough for paddle boards. Very unique to this boat. A super cool feature. Moving along, you have a drop down platform on the starboard side. Great for when you're anchored out, for people to jump on and off from, kids. A very fun, ultimate entertaining boat with a feature that is very unique to this 40-foot boat. Unbelievable, great way to spend the day. When you're out here, you have this automatic shore shade that comes out, provides extra shade for you. Anytime you have extra shade, you're able to spend more time on the water, be more comfortable, and enjoy. I love this huge teak table that Sea Ray has offered on this boat. Great place for people to sit down, enjoy a nice snack, dinner, drinks. Can't say enough about how it looks, the finish. In this particular boat, we have the stone interior cockpit. I love the color and the accents. Notice the stitching, unique to the SLX line on Sea Ray. As we move to the starboard side of this Sea Ray 400 SLX, you can see that you have dual grills, a nice wet bar here. You also have two fridges on this side, enough to keep all those snacks and drinks nice and cold for the day. Trash compartment in here. Again, they've thought of everything on this boat. Moving into the dash. Big, very big Simrad twin display. Gives you all your engine data. You can have all your charts and info displayed simultaneously on both sides. You have digital switching on this boat. On this particular one, we have equipped it with the Seakeeper. So if you do, if you do decide to spend the night or anchor out, rest assured you're not gonna be moving around. Lane code trim tabs, and then VHF radio. Your joystick controls here. Excellent helm. Gives you a lot of command and a lot of versatility. Want to take you inside real quick. This boat does have the capability to overnight. So as you can see, that table drops down there. You have a filler cushion. And then as you turn around, you can see that you have a full bed there. So really can accommodate 4 people. Have a wet shower here, nice sink, good appointments. I love natural light in the bathroom, gives you more space. As you move on, very wide walkthrough on the bow. Great space up here. Plenty of space to sit, 4, 5, 6 people up here. You do have the option to have a filler cushion in here to make this all one day bed. Also an optional table up here so you can sit down, set your anchor, drink, snacks, things like that. Want to show you one last thing here in the anchor locker. You have a shower right here and your windlass through hull. Can't say enough about the versatility of the boat. It really does provide entertainment for all day, and then if you do decide to make it an overnight trip, you have the ability to do so on this ultimate entertainer, the Sea Ray 400 SLX. Come see us. I'd love to walk you through the boat. It has all the amenities you can think of. My name is Gabe Agelan and we're here at MarineMax in Miami. Thank you.